Wow. This is one of the most, God, it seems like I'm being so melodramatic about this too, but this is one of the most important videos I've ever made, probably in my whole life. And I don't know why I'm having such a hard time filming this, but this is probably the most vulnerable that you guys have seen me on YouTube to this point. I do try my best to like share my emotions with you guys in the videos, and like if something doesn't go right, I show you guys that, and I show you that I'm discouraged and stuff like that. But this one's different, guys. This one is a feeling of being absolutely humbled, and I can't put it into words how I'm feeling, and this might sound so ridiculous, but I'm gonna get to the point here. Thanks to so many people, and I can't pin this on just one person. Caleb obviously helped a lot. So many people helped me get to this point in my life, and I mean every single person that helped me get to this point in my life. And it really doesn't seem like that big of a deal to some people, but my YouTube channel, Boosted John, hit 5,000 subscribers a couple days ago. 5,000. This is not rehearsed, by the way. I'm just trying to be as raw with you guys as I possibly can. I have been pretty busy since the channel hit 5,000, and I haven't really had a chance to just sit down with you guys and talk and really like process how that feels. Again, this is not one of my typical videos. I just want to be as transparent with you guys and as show you guys how like humbling of an experience this is. To know that there are at this point, we're almost at 6,000 by the time I'm making this video, thanks to Caleb. To know that there are that many people out there that, I know that all you have to do is click a button that says subscribe, but it's like so many people don't realize how much that means to a person like myself or other YouTubers, especially people who are just getting going. I know that a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me since I hit 5,000 subs saying, you're just starting your channel, you're starting the grind, and honestly, I know what you're going through, and I've been there. I've been stuck at 25 subs before, you know, like I know how that feels, and I want to do my part to help somebody who's at that point, just like Caleb helped me achieve my goal. So before I go any further with this video, I want to say, coming from the most humbled point of view that I possibly can, or most humbled perspective, thank you. Like, thank you. There are so many of you guys who interact with me on a daily basis, and I try to respond to every single comment, and I respond to pretty much every single DM on Instagram. So I just want to say thank you to you guys that have been so supportive and have just gone out of your way to just click that subscribe button. And I'm not sorry, like I'm not like begging for subscribers at all right now. I'm just seriously telling you guys, like, thank you so much for doing that and supporting me and showing me that what I'm doing is something that you guys can get behind, and that it's relatable with you guys, and that you support it. It seriously does mean the world to me that you guys want to help me achieve my goals in life and be able to do something like this. Like, my goal is to do this full time at some point, and I just want to say thank you guys for all being here at this point in time and helping me get closer to achieving that goal and attaining that goal. And like I said, this sounds ridiculous because like 5,000 subscribers is not, like, I'm not going to be a full-time YouTuber with 5,000 subscribers, but I'm just saying, like, this is one of the biggest milestones so far, and I just want to say thank you guys so much, and that's where I'm going to leave that. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you. We're getting to the meat of it now. This is what you guys are here for. In front of me, just out of frame on the camera, I have roughly, it's a little less than what I expect to make in the next year, or have made in the past year on YouTube. I don't think that I'm allowed to disclose exactly how much it is, but that's why I brought a visual representation so you guys can see. I'm gonna pick it up and show you guys in a second. You saw in the thumbnail. I'm just trying to be transparent with you guys as much as I possibly can. Like, this is something that I plan to reinvest into the channel. This is you guys showing me that you support what I do, and me showing you guys that I respect that and I want to make the most of it. And I don't just wanna like have this money continue to go into my checking account and just, you know, help me buy coffee every day or something. Like, I want this to be something, I want this YouTube revenue to be for the channel and for your guys' enjoyment. So, like I said, I'm gonna be as transparent with you guys as possible, and I'm sorry that this video is such a rant. Or not a rant, but I'm sorry it's just so long of me talking. I just wanna be as detailed and clear and just make sure that everyone knows exactly what kind of a thought process, like what I'm thinking right now and like why I'm doing this. I already set up my Google AdSense account to withhold all payments, all ad revenue payments, all like basically what I'm earning from YouTube, not my merch website, none of that, just what I'm earning from YouTube from ad revenue. It's gonna withhold all of that money for 1 year. On October 1st, 2020, Google AdSense is going to deposit 1 year worth of my YouTube revenue into a bank account. At that point in time, it should be, I'm gonna show you guys now. This is obviously in singles. I just wanted to give you guys some kind of representation, but it should be something around here. Maybe a little bit. It should be more than this, to be honest. Maybe even double at the rate that we're growing right now. So the coolest part is the more people that support me and the more people that subscribe and watch the videos and leave likes, the more this amount is going to be on October 1st, 2020. And you might be wondering, why does that matter to you? Why do you care that 1 year worth of YouTube revenue is going to go into my account on October 1st, 2020? Well, here's the cool part, and here's why you clicked on this video. I'm a man of my word. When I say I'm going to do something, I do it. And I really do mean that. That's pretty much what plan, commit, execute, attain has been founded on. It's what it means to me. It's like, if I say I'm going to do something, I'm going to commit to that. I'm going to execute that exact plan. And I'm going to attain the goals that I'm trying to achieve by following through with that plan. The plan is, I want to take 1 year worth of YouTube revenue and use it to sponsor 1 or 2 or possibly 3. It depends on how much money it is, really. There really isn't much of a limit to this one. It's going to be pretty much whatever I earn in the next year. I want to take that amount. I won't be able to disclose it exactly, but I'm going to be as honest as possible and as transparent as possible with whoever it happens to be. But I want to choose 1, 2, possibly 3, like I said, depending on how much money it is, subscribers who are either like up and coming YouTubers or someone who has a project car of their own that is, I guess what I'm trying to say is like, I want to help one or multiple of you guys achieve your goals because you guys are helping me achieve mine. And obviously, yes, like the first thing that I'm probably going to see in the comments is like, okay, he's buying subscribers. And that's really not what I'm trying to do at all. I don't want it to seem like that. I want to support the people that are supporting me. So by you guys being active, by you guys subscribing, by you guys liking the videos and stuff like that, you're helping me grow. You're helping me make more money. And I want to give that back to you guys. So like I said, I'm sacrificing a whole year of YouTube revenue to help one of you guys build your car. Now, I'm not 100% sure on how the terms will work on this one. I'm not going to have any like kind of legal contracts. Basically how it will work is like whoever I pick at the end of the year, I'll kind of give you a budget and you can tell me exactly what car parts you want to buy. I'll buy them, and hopefully, if all goes according to plan, I'll be able to come out to wherever you live and help you install them. That's the plan as of right now. Obviously, I'm kind of recording this video on the fly. Things are subject to change slightly. The only thing that will not change is that it will be 1 year's worth of YouTube revenue. The small details could change, and I'll be creating videos to like solidify this whole concept in the future and coming soon. But really quick, I'm just gonna recap this. So 1 year of YouTube revenue, I'm gonna buy car parts for one or multiple of you guys with that money. Depending on how much it is after a year and what my life is like a year from now, I'm going to come out and help you guys build your car. I want to essentially sponsor one of you guys. That's what this is. It's not me giving you money. I'm not gonna walk up to your house with a bunch of cash. I'm gonna sponsor one of you guys and I'm gonna help you guys with your build. Build, whoever, whatever. It really depends. Things are subject to change, like I said. There might be like a first place, second place, whatever. How I'm gonna choose the winner, I still haven't completely decided. I'm probably gonna have something where like, I'm gonna come up with a whole thing on how to win. I'm not totally sure yet. I really don't want this video to come off the wrong way. It very easily could. I wanna make sure that you guys are totally aware of how humbled I am by you guys. And I wanna do something nice for the people that support me. So I don't know. I'm excited to see where this goes. Like I said, I don't have everything set in stone, but And that's it. I'm done. I'm gonna stop talking here. This video is already too long. If you guys like have any honest questions about this, like you can leave them in the comments down below. If you have like a more personal question or anything like that, you can go ahead and DM me on Instagram at boostedjohn, boosted_John. It'll be in the description. And lastly, just thank you guys again for all the incredible support lately. And thank you, Caleb. Thank you, Pasha. Thank you, Jared. Thank you to everybody in my life that has helped me get to this point. Like, seriously. Like, I'm like getting so emotional over this. Like 5,000, like compared to a lot of YouTubers, like it's not a lot, but like for me, this is a big deal. Oh my God. All right. Okay, I'm done. I gotta stop. I could talk forever. With that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you'll be willing to check out www.boostbunker.com, especially because I'm not going to be taking any YouTube revenue for the next year. Any and all merch that you guys purchase is directly supporting me and helping me to make cool content for you guys. So, like I said, this is not going to be helping me with my videos for the next year. This is purely going to be sacrificed and saved for one of you guys to give back. All right, and also if you guys like this video, please click that subscribe button, help this channel grow, help this amount that's going to be used to sponsor you guys grow. And as I always say, guys, and I really do mean this, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Thank you for this opportunity, and I'll see you in the next video.